Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to book a pet training appointment on the PetSmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get your dog trained and you want to go ahead and book an appointment with PetSmart. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the PetSmart app. Next, on the bottom left-hand corner, we're going to click on Services. And then from here, you're going to click on Training. Okay, so click on Training. Now, once you click on Training, you just need to go ahead and choose your pet and then select the store. And then simply just follow the on-screen prompts as far as which training type do you want. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and book a pet training appointment on the PetSmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.